Just delivered, man. They delivering mattresses, delivering furniture. Let's get it.
You are now tuned into Flyroy, the trend setter. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy back with another video, man. We in the spot again. And they're like, what spot is you at, man? Y'all know I'm at the legendary Dub City, man. Dub City Tires. If y'all know, or if you don't know, make sure y'all tap in to Dub City Tires. They do have a Facebook page. They also do have an Instagram page, and they also have a YouTube page. More than likely, you guys want to tap into their Instagram. You can see a lot of the wheels that they do. They do a whole lot of custom work. I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all around the shop, man. Let y'all see what it do. And also, man, they got a sale right now on some 30s, man. So tap in. Let's get it. Powder coating. Your boy will be there to see you shortly. I'm thinking of a new color, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go out there and holler at my man and see if he can mix something up for me, man, and see if I can get exclusive, legendary, Flyroy powder coating situation going on, man. Y'all tap in to CPC powder coating, man. They're the best powder coating place around that you can go to. They're very reasonable. They do a fantastic job, and they get you in and out. Let's get it. Y'all down here, man, to show you this custom dually, man. Custom dually truck, man. Custom center caps on it and everything, man. And also, y'all drop something in the comments, man, and let me know what y'all think about this truck. You know what I'm saying? It do need to go from ashy to classy, though. I will say that. It look like it has been washed, but it don't got that Flyroy sauce to it. But we are going to do that. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. You see that custom Dub City on the spinning caps, man. Big mud tires, big dually truck, DURAMAX. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, man. Yeah, man. We gonna have to get up in there and turn this thing from ashy to classy, man. Cause the last time I left this thing, all this was clean inside the fender wells and everything, man. Y'all see it, man. But y'all know we have been getting some bad weather. You know what I'm saying? Stuff ain't been right. Oh, and your boy just, yes sir. But y'all see it, man. Yes sir. Big DURAMAX. Big custom antenna with the bullet on it, man. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. You know what? I'm gonna tell y'all one thing about these dually DURAMAXes, man. I love this hood right here with this vent right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I even starting to like this part, but the vent right here, man, definitely love that, man. Y'all drop something in the comments, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. Yeah, we're gonna put some stunner butter on that, man. Yes, sir. Man, we got that thing all shined up today, man. Yes, sir. We got the new secret sauce on here, man. Shout out to Dr. Carstein, man. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Got me right. And also make sure y'all tap into One Stop, man. Come over here and get your muffler situation right. Get your suspension right. And then you can get it riding right. Let's get it. We just noticed a lot of stuff that he brought to my attention, man. It's a lot of y'all out here, man, riding with y'all wheels backwards.
Yep. The direction of it is not facing the right way.
Yeah. Y'all see it? Yeah. You see the cut. water? No good.
Take turns.